Bro got a 350Z? That's good, bro. Shit, let me check it out.
Other than this thing.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's not too bad.
But dude, they fucking repainted it.
And the wheels aren't too bad either.
No, wheels
At
are
least
clean.
this is
Got a
stock
little bit
wheels.
of paint job, but
How you like driving it?
dude, I'm with it.
Yeah. Does this not shut?
Yeah, the actuator's at my dad's house. I just gotta replace this little black thing back here.
True.
Yeah, bro, check out the inside too.
Bro swooped a 2004 350Z. Oh, I know. I saw you installing those the other night.
Fucking dude, the inside's clean as fuck too.
Are these gray? Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That's
dude, I got
trippy.
heated seats too.
What's that box right there?
There's supposed to be a cover here. It goes down and like clips in. It's like where you put your sunglasses and shit.
I've only driven one 350Z in my life, but yo, guess what?
What?
My fucking sister totaled her Q50 a few hours ago. Totaled.
Is it her fault?
No,
Oh, thank
they
God.
made an illegal left turn in front of her. What's all this stuff right here?
Shit that I gotta install. I have a deep socket for. Because that was missing, and I just got this ordered today, so that's the only thing I'm missing.
Oh yeah, I probably have something. It's funny because like this is the same manual stick shift. It comes with like the Ultimas and G's also.
Bro, let's go top down.
Not right now.
I
It's
know.
so hot. So funny how similar these all sound because it has like the same engine, you know.
What year is yours?
2008. But I have a 3.7. Yeah.
Oh, you have a 3.7 liter?
Yeah, that's why the G37 is called G37.
Oh, no
3.7.
shit.
Yeah, and 370Zs have the same motor as my G.
Well, they make the 08 version of 350 because the 08's a 350 and it's still a 3.5.
Huh. My boy's back in something dope because the last dope car you had was like a Honda SI.
Yeah.
Literally, and that was a few years ago. That was a 2004 Honda SI hatchback.
2005, and I had that shit in
2005.
like 2015.
Now he's whipping the Z.
That fucking 6-speed mid-convert.
Later, we're gonna try to install this door handle because, as you guys can see, there's not shit to close. And then he also said that you fixed the convertible top.
Yeah, see these straps?
Yeah.
This used to be a fucking shoestring
I'm weak.
on both sides. Now it fucking goes up and down with no problem. 'Cause
Hell
those
yeah.
straps is what pulls it back. And the dude's like, I don't know why it doesn't go back. Well, you got fucking shoelaces where the straps are supposed to be.
And guys, we would drop the top right now, but it is like 112 degrees right now in AC.
Shout out 50 Cent.
Yeah, we were supposed to go to a 50 Cent concert tonight, and the man canceled because he said it was too hot or something, like the heat advisory or some shit.
Said 116 is not safe for anyone.
I guess not. Instead, we're driving around the 350Z, about to go to the dispo. And it's funny too, because everyone that has a 350Z ends up like painting this whole center console.
Everyone that I was looking at, they were all like wrapped or some
Yeah,
shit.
because it fades so bad. The wear and tear on these are horrible.
So, well, once I get this is probably like the last thing I get. But like, once I replace that, I'll just wrap the whole fucking thing.
That's true. That's true.
But nah, man, I stole it. That's how I feel.
Stomping grounds, do a little pull. The exhaust sounds pretty nice too.
Yeah, I think that's the only thing that's aftermarket.
Oh, it is an aftermarket? I thought you just straight piped it or
One of my
something.
mechanics said that he thinks it is. Like the guy that checked it out before I bought it. But
Yeah. Man,
I don't know.
I literally filmed my white wide body G35 in the same like neighborhood, I guess. I had Mufasa hanging out the back of this car, and yeah, that video was made here, right where we shot the vid. Little cameo. Bro, why didn't you get sideways? Why didn't you go Tokyo Drift DK on that corner?
You know what's funny? My friend in high school did that with his RX-8 and he went into that fountain.
No way!
Dude, Jabin Smith is.
Man, well shout out to that, man. We need the footage. What was that?
I got a car in front of me.
Hit him! Push him out of the way!
Oh, that's what I was telling you about.
Oh no. Guys. Is it on?
No, it's off. That's the shit I was telling you, once the RPM goes too low. Alright, so drive it into the ground it is.
I guess so. Oil light is coming on before 100,000. You're at 99,000 miles.
I'm telling you, I don't know if it's my sensor that's broken or what, because everyone told me the sensor's what goes out, but I still don't like seeing that fucking light.
Damn.
You know fucking Alyssa's little brother though, he kept on telling me, he's like, yeah, I hate 350s. He's like, I don't care what year it is. It's like, they'll blow up straight from the factory. I was like, I've never heard anybody say that. Hey, Evo.
Busting to you. Where? Oh, Evo. Sheesh. Remember when I used to own an Evo for like 3 months? Nice little scenery going on, type action. And guys, a few years ago, I literally came and shot the wide body G35 in the exact same location, so I thought it's only right. Nash pulls up to the same spot. Yo, what year is this? 2004? 2004 350Z convertible top. And Nash, tell them how much you bought this for, because I'm literally titling it like the cheapest 350Z in the world type shit.
The cheapest 350Z?
Yeah, manual.
Auto check engine light,
yeah.
manual, that
clean
runs,
title,
bro.
clean title.
$3,000.
$3,000, bro. What? Like, that's unheard of. If it was an automatic convertible, I'd be like, okay.
No one wanted to fuck with a lien, so I had to go through and get a power of attorney so dude couldn't run off with the car or the title after I paid off his loan.
And he texted you like, because it wasn't listed for 3,000.
It was listed for 55, and then 5 minutes before I was going to test drive a G35 in Tucson, I was already in Tucson. The dude was like, are you interested still? I said, nah, I'm good. He said, if you want it today for 3,000, pay off the lien, it's yours. I was like,
what?
Go.
Like literally $2,500 cheaper just for him to come swoop it. And literally, guys, like, tell me you wouldn't buy this for $3,000.
And
he's about to drop the top. Oh shit. Yo, to be honest, I did not know it was an electric. I thought you had to manually do it. What? This man swooped this for 3 bands. That is crazy. And you guys saw the interior. Like, interior is clean other than like the door handle missing, but we're gonna fix that later. Guys, this is sick. I'm hyped as hell for my boy Nash. And he said if the engine blows, you're just gonna replace it with our mechanic anyway, so.
Fucking JDM engine for 1,800, mechanic replace it.
Import it here.
Brand new 350 for basically 5,500.
Crazy, hell yeah, bro. Good ass swoop. Well, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm gonna do a little cinematic so you guys can get a closer look. Nash still hasn't washed this since he bought it, so just bear with me. Sorry, I can't hear you. Yeah?
And the girl downstairs.
Oh, really? That's funny. Yeah. What wheels are these even?
I don't know, but I fuck with those wheels.
Oh, damn. No, I've heard of these wheels.
I just gotta get this shit touched up.
Not bad, not bad. All right, let's cruise with the convertible. Oh, actually, wait. Don't start it yet. Oh, exhaust action. Give me a few reps. My hat's already flying off me. Too much horsepower.
Too much horsepower.
Once it's wintertime, guys, this car is gonna be popping, bro. Like fall, wintertime, cruising. Oh, and let me see if I can get it. You should post up, get a sick ass picture with your jersey in that Prelude. Alright, bro's about to put the top back on.
If I remember how to do this.
Bro, I'm hyped for you. I can't believe this thing drives so good.
I know, right?
It drives literally perfect. Look at this. What? I did not notice that. Typical VQ problems. Didn't notice that until like right now.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. I was like, bro, whoever did it, like, take some pride in your work. Oh, I thought thought you were going to, I thought you were trying to figure out how to pop this thing off. No, I didn't pop this thing off. I don't know, dude.
My bad.
I thought you had a solution. God damn it.
I'm gonna put the little armrest on, bro. This is about to add like 3 horsepower. There you go.
Alright, now let's hope it's not broke for good. Oh shit, dude.
Easy peasy lemon
That
squeezy.
thing's in there.
What,
We need an extend.
Yeah,
let
it's
me get the
extended.
extendo.
I got the extendo. Oh my god. Look at this.
What?
That's how these wheels got curved, probably. Guys, I don't know if I've showed it, but I got the G in the garage now. So I got it next to the Cutlass. Looking too clean. I love this view. Wait, this is the car you went and looked at first?
Yeah, I saw it, and then I went and saw the G35 the next day because I told the guy, I was like, let me talk. I was gonna talk to Gustavo and be like, let me talk to my mechanic, see what he says about some shit, how much it is to fix. And then on the drive home, me and my dad were talking, and like we just started adding everything up together. Like,
right.
You know, like, fuck this. I mean, my dad literally said, my dad's like, if you wanted 3 for it, cool. He's like, then you can. And the next day, fucking that shit happened. He's like, yeah, you want it for 3? And my dad's like, what the fuck I say?
Walk away, get it for the cheaper price.
I know. I was like, shout out, Dad. You put it in the universe.
Yes, sir.
God, how does this? I'm going the right way, bro. Right? Right? Tighty, lefty, loosey. Am I going left?
You should just pop that shit out and you can see it. Bro, there's no way. There's no way.
Bro, it's stripped.
It is. It's just twisting.
Yeah, it's stripped. There's no way.
You should be able to just put it in this one.
No, that's what I'm gonna do now. Bro, you know what's so weird?
Huh.
It does not look like it's screwed in all the way, but
yeah, that's good.
I think I'm gonna throw some glue around it no matter what.
Add that little piece and shut that door.
And then those are just for the trunk because it'll slam fucking down. I just don't know how to replace them yet.
Good swoop, bro.
Oh, bro, look at this. So this is what I was telling you that like I bought like, I think I told you I bought like a $5 set of clips from called Amazon.
Yeah.
It was underneath the hood, like everything was missing.
Pop the hood. You didn't even look at the engine. A little oil consumption going on. Typical VQ things.
So like all these clips, like all this shit was off. Like all this, bro. Like you can move this around. I had bought a new battery cover because this was missing.
Yeah, I don't know what it is with VQ owners always losing these clips. Because when I bought my G, it literally was missing all the clips as well.
Look, I fucking put all these clips in all along here.
That's
like,
too funny.
Yeah,
I wonder what kind of exhaust it has. It has a little aftermarket radiator cap.
Well, I saw in Carfax that they replaced like the thermostat, the temperature sensor, and I assume they probably did some work over on the fucking radiators.
I'm gonna see if there's something that exhausts. Oh yeah, it definitely is aftermarket.
Yeah, my mechanic said it was. They just don't know what brand, but I like it.
It looks like they kept the stock tips on the 350, but just put like a straight pipe, Y pipe, in the rear.
Gotta head out before it gets too dark.
You drive home 40 minutes, no headlights. These are the headlights. I think these are like the Spec Ds they're called off of eBay.
Shout out, they're actually on. Okay.
Yeah, no, that's sick.
Which these might actually work, but I need to get the wiring harness turned on because the linker doesn't work.
It's dope seeing you, brother. I'll talk to you soon. And enjoy your 350Z, bro. Cheapest one in the world.
That actually doesn't look like it belongs in a junkyard and doesn't run like it's in a junkyard.
Literally shifts perfect. Peace, bro. Hit me up.
All right.